Kia ora, I'm Jazz, part of the team behind the NextGen Enviro at the Williams Property Service Group. Kia ora, I'm Jazz from Williams Property Services Group. We often get asked about our NextGen Enviro program, so here are the answers to a few common questions. Williams Property Services Group is a New Zealand-owned company that provides property maintenance, cleaning, and essential services for both private and public housing sectors. We work alongside organisations like Housing New Zealand and community housing providers to keep properties safe, functional, and well maintained. NextGen Enviro is our specialised community housing program. It combines people, finance, and technology to help housing providers stretch their budgets further while improving outcomes for tenants and communities. Under the NextGen Enviro program, we handle property maintenance and repairs, cleaning and contamination, grounds and waste management, preventative and healthy homes inspections, plus we offer real-time job tracking through our exclusive mobile app. We'll set up your organisation on the NextGen Enviro portal so you can start raising jobs, tracking process, and accessing reports all in one place. Think of Williams Property Services Group as the parent company that delivers property services to everyone, and the NextGen Enviro as the dedicated program tailored specifically for government and community housing providers. It's the same team, but with a specialised focus and a technology platform built for social housing needs. Simple. You can reach us on 0800 514 514 or contact us through email below. The NextGen Enviro, smarter property care for stronger communities.